Hello everybody, happy Sunday po sa ating lahat. So just want to answer this quick question. Habang di pa nag-start yung church, pasensya na wala akong microphone. How to explain water baptism sa mga unbeliever na madali nilang maintindihan. I think the best answer to that is to start with why. Bago ka mag-start, explain what is baptism and how to be baptized. Start with why do I need to be baptized. So you present the gospel first. You present that we are all sinners. And ang bunga ng kasalanan ay kamatayan, and that death is more than physical death, but that is spiritual death. But then, sa kabutihan, pag-ibig at grasya ng Panginoon, He offered the plan of salvation. And I think the best Bible verse that could sum it up is Acts 2:38, kung saan ang Panginoon ay inexplain sa atin ang plan of salvation na nag-start sa question in Acts 2:37, what must I do? So start with why first. Start mo muna explain bakit kailangan magbabaptize. Dahil ganito tayo, at ito ang gusto ng Panginoon, ito ang plano ng Panginoon. Okay? So start with why, and then saka mo explain what is baptism and how to be baptized. Okay? I hope nakatulong yun. God bless.